Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about a Tron cloud mining platform where you can mine Tron for free. So as you can see, I currently have about 5,911 TRX on my Tron wallet, and I accumulated all these TRX using that website. Okay, so this is how much TRX I've been able to make so far from that website. Okay, so today I'll be telling you guys how you can get started on the website, how you can start mining Tron, how you can deposit, and how you can withdraw from the site. Okay, so if you're a new member and if this is first time you're watching any of my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning member, welcome back. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the name of the website is tron.ac. It's an online cloud mining website, okay, and where you can mine TRX, okay. So and the platform has partnered with a lot of a lot of companies, okay. It's partnering with Binance, Bitmain, CoinMint, Genesis Mining, CoinDCS, and WazirX according to their website, okay. So and one good thing about this platform is that they have a white paper, okay, explaining all everything you need to know about them. Okay, I'll be in the description of this video. I'll be sharing with you guys the link to the white paper. But before we do that, before you access that, let me show you just a brief of how the white paper looks. So this is the white, this is supposed to be the white paper, but it seems like my network is not that good, so I'll just drop the link for you guys and you can check it out, okay, to learn more about the platform and how it works. So let's get back to the video, okay. So there's a platform Tron.se. So how do you get started? To get started, all you have to do, you need to register. So in the description of this video, there's a registration link. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to the registration page where you just provide the mobile number, a password, and a security password. Once you do that, you create a an account. After creating the account, you log in. So once you log in, if you used my link to register, you receive 600 TRX for free as a sign-on bonus. That's for using my link. So once you sign up, once you log in, the next thing you need to do is you need to activate the mining session on the app. Okay, you need to activate the mining. As you can see, my own mining session is already activated, and I've not claimed my tokens for about 2 days now. So to claim it, to claim your mined TRX, all you have to do is you click on receive. Okay, so once you activate your own mining session on the app, it will start, and after every 24 hours you can come over here and claim your mined profit. Okay, that's your trading profit. And the app, that's sorry, the platform mines 6% of the total balance on your basic wallet account. Okay, the total TRX you have on your basic wallet account, the website mines you can claim 6% of it mined every 24 hours for free. Okay, so the promotion account is where you receive deposit rewards from the people you refer, that's the people on your team, while the basic wallet, in addition to the mined TRX that you claim after every 24 hours, you also get sign up bonuses to the account. Okay, so that's basically, so how do you activate the mining session of the app? To do that, you need to make a deposit, and the minimum deposit is $5. Okay, so to make a deposit, all you have to do is you click on deposit, you click on copy address. Okay, so once you copy the address, you open up your Trust wallet, your Binance, any wallet you're using to transact, and you click on send. Okay, click on send, you put in the wallet address, you paste it, and you put the amount you want to send. Okay, and you complete the transaction. Once you've sent it, all you have to do is come over here and you click on recharge completed. So once you click on recharge completed, in less than 5 minutes, okay, you'll receive it on your account, and you'll be able to see it here on where it says TRX deposit quantity. Okay, so you can deposit the a minimum of $5, 5 TRX, and you can, the maximum is not limited. You can deposit as much as you want. Okay, so the more you deposit, the more you'll be able to mine daily. So make sure whatever you're depositing on this site is something you can afford to lose, okay, something you can risk losing. That's just all I have to say for you guys. So after you've deposited, the mining will start automatically and you'll be able to claim it after every 24 hours. So now the next thing is, how do you withdraw from this site? To withdraw is very easy. All you have to do is go to withdrawal. So once you go to withdraw, you can withdraw from either your basic account or from your promotion account. So withdrawal from the promotion account is unlimited, while withdrawal from your basic account is, you'll be able to withdraw 2.5% of your total TRX deposit on the app every 24 hours. As you can see on my own wallet, I deposited about 400 TRX so far, so I can withdraw up to 10 TRX daily from my basic account, while withdrawal from the promotion account is unlimited. To do that, just click on withdrawal, come over to promotion account, you put the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say I'm withdrawing 178, then you put in the security password you created while creating. You can see withdrawal is successful, and once you withdraw, you receive it in less than 5 minutes on the account, that's the wallet address you provided here. Okay, so after withdrawal, how do you know? As you can see, I just received my withdrawal on my account. Okay, so it's that fast. Once you place the withdrawal, you receive it almost immediately. So how do you refer people, how do you recruit members so that you earn TRX into your promotion account? It's very easy. All you have to do is go to where it says share. Once you go to share, you'll be able to copy your unique referral link. Once you click on copy, all you have to do is now go to your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Telegram, or any of your social media handles, and just create a great message and put the link there, or share with your friends and family, telling them about the benefits of this app, okay, and how they can also earn free TRX using the app. It's that easy. And once you start referring people, you can be able to monitor the progress of your team, okay. You can be able to see the people that signed up with your link, or people that are signed up with your referrals link, or people that signed up with your referrals referees link. Okay, so that's how it goes. And you'll be able to see the rewards you also earn for people that sign up with your link, and so on and so forth. Okay, it's that easy. And you can earn from the referral level. You can earn from 3 referral levels, okay, from level 1, level 2, and level 3. What's better than this? I think so. That's basically all I have for you guys. If you've not started using Tron.ac, make sure you register now. The link is in the description of this video, and start earning free TRX daily. Okay, make sure you do that now while this website lasts, okay, because you can never tell when the website might just go offline. So the earlier you join, the better it is for you to make profit with this site. Okay, so if you loved the content in this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do that and hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notifications, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop on a new video on my channel. And also make sure you share this video with your friends and family, because you can never tell who needs this video out there. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.